We have to do something.
Hello, this is Mara from Team M Bomb, and today is a toy review. We're gonna do. This is not a normal video. We're actually gonna do something a little babyish, but please do not laugh in the comments. Yeah.
Remember MJ and Max were in the video?
Yeah.
I mean, me and Max.
Yeah. So, here we're gonna review our entire train Thomas the Tank Engine collection.
When will we be in it?
So you can play this stuff and do it. Yeah. So first we have Thomas, one cover Thomas, and this coal car and this Thomas were from Mrs. birthday cake a long time ago.
Yeah,
Scully.
and I'm Mason.
Mordok. We got this from our cousin, and you forgot to give us the tender. So Toby, Duncan, Henry, Victor, Talking Diesel. We couldn't find Spencer's tender. And Plain Splatter Thomas, Gordon. He's a little bit beat up, but it's okay. And Percy. It's a 2001 Percy.
When will we be in?
This doesn't work anymore. This doesn't really work anymore. Hippo car, Talking Salty. Thomas goes to breakfast. It was from that episode back in 2000 maybe. And this is a birthday card that came with the birthday Thomas. I got this one.
MJ, what about this?
I got it when I was 3 probably.
And hi guys.
And Andy and Clarabelle.
MJ.
Yep.
Why?
Oh, that was so unpleasant.
When will we be in? When will we get in?
You guys are in right now. Okay, aquarium cars. Talking jumps on the truck, but it doesn't work anymore.
MJ, they can't even see us.
And boxcar.
Yeah.
Diesel, Victor, battery powered Thomas and Percy, but they don't work.
Trains in,
But they don't work anymore. Circus cars, Talking Gordon, Emily, Harold, Edward, cabooses, sort of like cabooses, Diesel 10, Kevin, Mr. Top and Hat, and Cranky.
Yeah, that's a big cranky.
Now we're going to take and play. D199. Bell. James. Charlie. Corey Carr. Henry. Rocket. Whiff. Andy Clarabelle. 2002 Thomas.
I'm not sure how this little fella got up there. He's holding my arm for a
Two.
cute little guy. I hope he doesn't get too attached.
2010 Percy. 2009 Percy. Scruff. Search cars. Flatbeds. 2002 Percy. Dennis, Mighty Mac, Diesel 10, Stanley, and another 2009 Percy. Okay, and these are just random things. This is a pullback Thomas. And Percy, his buffer's a little chewed up. And this is a Trackmaster Percy. Well, it was battery powered, but we somehow broke it, so it doesn't go anymore.
And those are the big trains.
And it's like, I don't know, the facial expression, it looks like a hard-working Percy.
And it's so sad.
It came with a box car, so it must have been filled with something heavy. Bricks or iron girders or a lifetime supply of steak. So that's that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching.
Bye.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.